friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys how can we solve guys this color ghost problem. Guys, you can see guys your screen color is different guys, and guys you can see guys this ghost settings. So how can you solve guys this problem in your Infinix phone? Today I will show you guys in this video guys. Don't worry friends, you can solve guys this problem in your Infinix phone guys without any problem guys. So guys, now let's see how to solve color inversion problem. Now let's see. First of all, guys, open your phone setting to solve guys this problem. So we call it color inversion problem. Then guys scroll it. As you can see your phone special function setting, guys tap here. Then guys click on last one accessibility setting. Then again scroll friends. You can see guys your color inversion setting on your screen. Guys tap here. As you can see guys use color inversion mode setting. Friends, you want to solve this problem guys, you will have to click on this icon. Like this problem will solve, everything is fine guys. You can see about color inversion guys, you can on, how to off, enable, disable, how can we use. So like that guys you can solve this color problem guys. You can see color inversion problem will solve in our Infinix phone. We can use YouTube and guys every app without any problem guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye friend, before going please go and like the video.